good, chat? Won't be streaming for long tonight, but last stream of 2025. Hell yeah, finished off the year nice. Had a good year, Hope you guys had a good year too. Alright, so last night we were dealing with a lot of errors. We're gonna try to fix that. See what the fuck we can do, you know. Already reconnecting, let's go. Yeah, anyways. Okay. So, yeah, anyways. We're going to be fixing that tonight, basically. We also have these other errors, which is always very cool. Love this. I think this would probably explain maybe like why the errors come up in the first place. Maybe? I don't know. I don't fucking know. We'll see. See what we can do tonight. Try to get some shit going, you know what I'm saying? I feel like this is probably the issue. Like that as like this is probably the fucking issue. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get into it. Let's read these because we have a lot of fucking errors. It's all with like invalid new expression of abstract class boss. Boss isn't even an abstract class though. What are you talking about? It's not even an abstract class. Where are we defining that at? Where's that at? That's in game, right? Game. Yeah. Does game have the info regarding what a boss is and all that kind of stuff? Because this should work. I don't see why this wouldn't work. I really don't know, I'll be honest. See what the fuck we can do. Valid new expression abstract class boss. I don't see why that's invalid. Like what about that is invalid? I don't understand. We're making a new one, right? So therefore, we're like dynamically doing it. It's not like we're making it like out of a derived class. I don't fucking know, honestly, bro. Class. Following virtual functions are pure within boss. Wait, is it because? Wait a minute, hold on, chat. Is it because we? No, we deleted that, yeah? Yeah, we did. Excuse me, guys, I'm still very sick. So, love that. I don't really understand. Virtual void's a resource. What's wrong with this? Is it because it's not... Okay, what? In full heal. Are we not able to run the full heal function? Is that the whole issue? That doesn't make sense, though. That makes no sense. Where do we do that at, by the way? Wasn't character, obviously, but... Wait, do we not even... Okay, we do. That's HP and max HP. Yeah, okay, no, that should work just fine. It's gotta be like something... Is it something to do with the character classes? Oh no, wait, let me check the make file. Like, it's actually making the files, right? Yeah, warrior, mage, healer, archer. Dude, my fucking allergies, bro. Ugh. Sorry. Yeah, it's able to do that just fine. So what exactly is the issue? Set resource region. Why is it flagging this? It's 100% going to be like the easiest thing. New expression of abstract class type enemy. But enemy is not an abstract class. So what the flip are you talking about? Wait, what? It's all in the game file. Hold on. Let's go there first. Maybe it's like we're doing something weird there or something. What are we doing exactly? Well, yeah, we're creating it here. Wait, game data arena and place back party. We're creating a new party, yes, of the vector character pointers. We're filling that vector with just one, the boss. Okay, that is correct. That's correcto. Create enemy party 3, yes. But it was having issues with these too, yeah? Wait. Party in place back, new enemy. Enemy 2 level. Wait, where are we doing that at? Create enemy party. Doing that here, yeah? Yeah, we are. Party in place back. New enemy, enemy 1. Why would this be wrong? This has always been just fine. Doesn't really make any sense. I feel like this is more than likely what's actually causing it. Why is it not? Let's do this. Because in party, maybe it's because we kind of changed how we're doing that. Just in placing back this. We're returning that. Right, so that should do just fine on these guys. Game data. Excuse me. Are we not like including like a necessary file that needs to be here? Like, you know what I mean? I mean, it's able to compile it, right? Like, we are indeed compiling game. Yeah. Okay. Trying to make sure. You never know. Okay. So. I don't know, chat. That Sonic tastes good, though. I'll tell you that. What the fuck even is all this? Hold on. Try to recompile. I just want a clear image of what the errors actually are. It's always when it... Yeah, okay. We get a ton of fucking errors. But it's definitely... Like, it's gonna be like one thing. And that's it. Yeah, it's something to do with the game constructor. Whenever we construct the actual game itself, it's just flipping the fuck out. Because of these classes. Is it flipping out because of warrior as well? It is, yeah. Well, it's saying something like... Following virtual functions are pure within warrior. Set resource region. Wait. Hold up. Resource region. Wait, what? What are you talking about? But we deleted that though, so I feel like that shouldn't even like be a thing anymore. Right? Set. Yeah, okay, that's not even here anymore, right? And warrior? It's not there either. We're not doing resource set resource stat. Set resource stat. Maybe that's what this is, yeah? Set resource stat, set resource region. That's what it was initially called. Wait, let's go to healer. No, set resource region. Healer resistance. Wait, are we trying to call it here as well? Wait a minute, shot. Resistance, resource. No, okay, that doesn't make any sense. Let's get, let's just attack this one at a time. Let's get rid of this first off, because it's just not even needed. And obviously I have to do that for everything, so. We will do that. Wait, hold on, wait. Resource stat, wait a minute, no, I'm tripping. No, wait, chat, I'm tripping. No, yeah, I'm tripping. Resource region is what we're worried about. No, okay, yeah, I'm actually dumb. Where did I see that at? Nowhere, I don't think. Oh, it's able to work now. Nice. I don't know what the fuck I did. Let's go. Nice. I have no idea what I did. Just comment it out. Didn't even need to do that. Didn't even need to do that. Didn't even need to do that. Too goated to comment shit out. Either it stays or it's deleted forever. I'm obviously kidding. It would have been better to do that. Okay. So now let's see if we still have the same... Oh shit. What happened? Oh. It's just flipping out. Wait, why? Why does the terminal look like this, bro? Hate VS Code. Why do I use this? 1, B2, C3, D4. Fight, print battle info. Yes, okay, fuck yeah. Sorry if I just peeked my microphone, bro, but I'm actually hype as fuck to see that. Thank God. Holy shit, let's fucking go, chat. Let's go. It's not like, okay, so what was happening last night is it would always crash whenever we would try to print the enemy info. It would always just like crash, and I think it's because, yeah, I think it's because I had like uncommitted changes or some shit. 2-hour long video dogging on C++ was right about its incomprehensible errors. What's up, Fire? By the way, thank you for subscribing. I saw after stream that it showed like a notification for you subscribing, so thank you for that. I just didn't see it. I don't have headphones in for the PC, but I haven't watched that yet. I need to watch it because people have been telling me to watch it. They'll never make me hate C++. How are you guys doing tonight? Y'all doing good? Ready for the new year? It's the last stream of 2025. Oh wait, let's do a poll. Oh wait, let's make the poll. I'll just be like, I'll do like, did you have a good 2025? Yes, no. There we go. I'm just curious. Everyone always acts like it's the worst, or like every year is the worst. All right, so now I guess what we can do is we can actually test the skills themselves. Look at this chicken scratch. Jeez, bro. How can anyone even fucking see this? All right, test all skills. Yeah, resource region. We already did that. Or like it does region. Wait, are we even calling it? We're not even calling it yet, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think we are. So we probably, so let's finish this. Finish this tonight. Fix, what the fuck does this even say? I don't know. I think that's what we just fixed, but whatever. I need to take better notes. Okay. All right, so let's actually call the resource region because I don't even think we're doing that yet. We'll need to do it in the menu manager, which is fine. So I think, yeah, like after, or no, wait, we could probably just do it in process turn. Do we already do it in process turn? Wait, we might have already done that, yeah? I don't know, I forget. I need to fucking get my shit together. Yeah, okay, yeah, we did. And resource region, let's go ahead and make sure that we remember how that's actually working in the first place. So it's using this. Oh shit, which is, yeah, pretty decent. I don't think it regenerates too much, but all right. Let me gonna do some testing without writing a test because that's too much work. Let's go to menu manager. And what I'm gonna do, or sorry, not menu manager, let's go to combat. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to comment this out right now. And we're going to test out the skills to make sure everything works fine. What's good, IDK? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Hope you're doing good tonight. Happy New Year to you. I won't be able to say it tomorrow. Going to a party. Sorry. Going to a party. Okay. Anyways. Menu manager. I just want to make sure everything's kind of in order. All right, so we're gonna, let me get my notes out. We're gonna just take note of like how the stats rise and whatnot, whatever the fuck. Damn it, I hate when it does this. All right, so A, warrior, B, mage, C. Okay, third party stats, so we have a warrior. Right. So war cry, that skill, we're going to test that skill first. Yeah, so let's actually, let's see. Let's list out the amount of skills that we have to do. Happy New Year. It's the 30th on my time, but I don't think you're streaming tomorrow. Yeah. I mean, it's the 30th here too. 7:50 p.m. 30th here in Tejas, Texas in Spanish, if you guys didn't know. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna test out all of these skills here. So strong attack. We'll test that one out first, I guess. That just like does like a different damage. So it does 25 points of damage. So let's go and do a fight, and let's print enemy 1's HP. It's 255. So yeah. Excuse me, guys. So yeah, we should have 30 or 230 at the end of it, I think. So if we do strong attack against enemy 1, and then we just do like, or I guess we could test multiple, couldn't we? Yeah, because they all have the same. So what's fireball? I think it's the same. Yeah, 25. No, fireball is 13. Why is fireball 13? Oh yeah, because it's a level 1 thing. I remember. I do remember now. Okay, so 13 on enemy 2. We'll do that, and then we'll do arrow shot. I think that one's that one's 25 as well. So we'll do arrow shot on 3, and then we will try strength and defense. Strength and defense will do a 20-point strength in the defense stat for each member of our party. Right? So for instance, the warrior is 10, right? Mage is 7, archer is 10, and it looks, I think the healer is 7. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So keep that in mind. We should be looking at like 20, 17, whatever the fuck. We're looking at different types of lights in OpenGL right now. Lots of shaders, math. Jeez. See, that's what scares me, bro, is like doing shaders and shit like that, bro, like in OpenGL. I mean, I'm still gonna approach it, you know what I mean? But it's like, I don't know. I might need help from you, low-key IDK. I don't know. Whenever I get around to that. Very soon, very soon. Oh yeah, we can only do that to one person. That's right, I'm stupid. Well, let's just do it to the warrior, because that's 10, so we can just do that. Was also a variable thing too, so it's like 86. Holy fuck. Yeah, so 86 HP. Lost from strong attack. Yeah, because that's a formula. I remember now. Yeah, because it uses the skill. Let me make sure it's calculated correctly. Let's go to skill. Yeah, let's go to skill. And it's a damage HP skill, which does the damage stat, which we're using the attack stat from warrior, which is what? What is the attack stat from warrior? Looking at 19. Okay, look at that. 20 defense. Hell yeah. I think, wait, shouldn't that have gone down by now? Or no? Is that in the next move? I need to make sure that that's also working. That it also like resets after each iteration. I don't know. We could do that. Okay. So 20 defense. I'm fucking with that. I'm fucking with that. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is a turn error, yeah. I had to like think what the fuck I'm looking at. My chicken scratch. So yeah, 25, so that's 25 times 19 times 0.2. Let me pull out my calculator. I'm not good at math, I'll be honest with you. I mean, I'm decent at math, but mental math, no. So 19, 0.2, looking at 3.8 times 25. We're looking at 95 minus the defense, in which case, what are we looking at with the defense on enemy? On 11.5? 11.5. 83.5 is what we should have got. But I think we got 86, yeah? We did get 86, yeah? I think so. Yeah, we got 86 from that. It should be the same if we do it again. Hold on. I do want to check this one more time as well, though. Let's do this. Fuck it. Yeah, strength and defense on A. 83.5. Okay, yeah, okay, that's perfect. That's good. That's good. I'm fucking with that. We're good. It would be cool later if you add a skill that involved a dog attacking with you. Oh, that'd be kind of sick. That'd be nice. Like a wolf or something like that. Like a, yeah, like a little like companion. We should have like companions. That'd be kind of sick. You have to feed it to keep the skill. You have to feed it. That's interesting. That adds like a whole different like dynamic. That's pretty sick though. I like that. Like what's his name? Kiba from Naruto? Like the weakest fucking character in Naruto. Shit's funny as hell. Okay. Yeah, so that works. Ace defense was raised by 20. By 20? How the fuck did that happen? Okay, yeah. Was raised by 20. No, it should be raised by... For some reason, it's showing the amount of the actual defense. It's not showing, like, the amount that it raised by. So we need to change that. Why is it showing that? Let's go to buff defense. Hold on. Oh, jeez, I have some in my eye. Use skill. Debuff resistance, buff defense. Yeah, it's here. Excuse me, guys. Okay. It's magic. Bright magenta, bright green. Stats points. Where are we getting the stat points? Where's that from? Target defense plus points times... No. It's not supposed to be points. It's supposed to be... Stat points is... Wait a minute. Why are we doing that? That doesn't make any sense. Oh, wait. No. I see why we're doing that. Yeah, okay. I see why we're doing that. But we don't need to do... We don't need to do this. Yeah, okay. This is wrong. But we can do this, though. Set... Get defense, right? Target get defense? Yeah, target get defense. So we can do that. Target get defense. And then add it by that. And that's perfect. But we want to keep this as this because then this would actually be correct. Yeah, okay. Yeah, no, that makes way more sense. I was recently playing Minecraft Sky Wars. I was a kid. I thought it was cool. They do that in Sky Wars? Oh, jeez, bro. I haven't played like competitive Minecraft. I haven't played like, you know, multiplayer Minecraft in a minute, bro. I used to love Bed Wars though. That was my shit. Okay. Excuse me, guys. I'm still sick. Oh, speaking of, I need to take my medicine. Sorry, chat. I forgot to take my medicine. Give me 1 second, guys. How are you guys doing tonight? Y'all doing good? Any exciting plans for New Year's? While I take my Mucinex. Man, they always make these packages so fucking hard to do. Alright. Rock. So, okay, so that's fixed now. That should be fine. The stats made sense, right? Like the calculations made sense. So I think that's all being calculated right. So strong defense is correct, yeah. So we can probably cross that one off. Strong attack. Boop. There we go. I'll be on my computer and realize randomly it's 2026. Snorlax. Thank you, IDK, for saying what's up to Snorlax. This might be the last stream Snorlax is in. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I think last year, no, not last year. I think the year before that, I was at the gym when it turned to 2024, I think it was. Yeah. I was at the gym, get my workout on. So. But I got invited to a party this year, so we're gonna show up for that. I got work the next day. Buy Snorlax? Oh yeah, because yeah. This will probably be the last stream with Snorlax. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I'm gonna see if I can get a new plushie though. Well, I might try to get another Snorlax, low key. That'd be kind of fire, you know. Kind of fire. Okay, so strong attack is done. Now let's test which other ones do we test? Well, we also tested the strength and defense, yes? Yeah, we also did strength and defense as well. So we can go and do that. Where is that? Resurrect, buff defense. Oh, okay, yeah, buff defense is what it was. By Snorlax, it was a fun time with you. Hell yeah. But yeah, Snorlax will be back next year. Next Christmas, Snorlax gonna be back. Alright guys, don't worry. Eating up all the RAM. Snorlax is the reason we have a RAM shortage right now. Okay. I guess now we can let's actually terminate this. Let's do this again. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Okay. 1 V2 CP Form, fight, battle info, make sure everything's there. Okay. So let's go ahead and test Warcry now. So Warcry, that one's a little different. I think that one's a buff attack, right? We also need to change how this works too. Yeah, so actually let's, hold on. Because this uses the same logic. Right? Oh shit, what the fuck? What just happened? Yeah, because these uses the same logic from buff defense, so. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, okay, I think that's good. So it should be like, wait, how did buff defense work like that? We did points times get level, which is 1, 0.5. So wait, what? What the fuck? Bro, I swear it isn't even our fault that AI is using so much stuff. It's just companies throwing AI into everything by default. Most people don't get around. Super live coder. Bro, I'm telling you, the bubble's gonna pop. The bubble's gonna pop. Like, it's AI is great and it's obviously gonna be used a lot, but it's like in the future. But dude, the bubble's pop. Like, it's gonna be popped. Once people realize they can't do everything, it's gonna be popped, bro. It's coming. It's coming. I would go ahead and get your put options ready to go. Get them on lockdown. Start shorting every single AI stock. It's gonna come, bro. It's gonna come. No shit. That's what she said. Yeah, this, okay, does this make any sense? I feel like this doesn't even make any sense. Wait, for buff defense, when we do strength and defense, it's supposed to be by 20, but it raises by 10. Doesn't really make much sense. Start being chat, you gotta lock in? Fucking right, dude, I actually do. I do, you're right. You're absolutely fucking right. Let me lock in, chat. Yeah, so 20... It's like halving it, though. But does that make any sense, though? That doesn't really make any sense. I feel like this formula doesn't make any sense. Who the fuck wrote this? Who wrote this? Who's the dumbass who wrote this? AI comes in a cross way fellow kids does whenever a company advertises. On God, bro. Someone actually gives a shit. It's just annoying. Imagine if he ignores it. I can't ignore chat. You guys are the best part of my day. You guys are the best part of my day. I can't just ignore you guys. Yeah, but this doesn't make any sense. I'm kind of stupid for writing this. Why the fuck did I write it like this? Because what it's doing is, like, if points is 10, or if points is 20, that grammar makes no sense, is 20 times, this would be 0.5, because it's 1 times 0.5, which would be 0.5, and then, yeah, it's just 0.5, so then it just halves it. But that's not even... You're the only one working on this code base? No. Shh. It was someone else. It was someone else. It was someone else, Fire. It was someone else, bro. Trust, bro. It was someone else. Alright. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it works, but it's like... One contributor. Guys, stop outing me, guys. No. No, this is obviously all of our game. All of us did this, bro. This is someone else. This is someone else's work. Obviously, guys. Come on. Stop throwing me under the bus, bro. Alright. Should we change this? I feel like, yeah. I mean, it still works. But it just doesn't make any sense, though. Like... Well, I guess I did want it to be kind of a small number. I didn't want it to be insane. Let's just keep it. Fuck it. I mean, it doesn't seem to do anything crazy, but like, whatever, dude. Okay. Let's test Warcry next. Oh shit, I just named it A twice. Give me 1 second. 1, 2, C, 4, fight, party stats. Okay. So, on Warcry... That'll raise buff attack. Yeah, so that's a buff attack with 15 points. And then, yeah, time. So it's going to be like 7.5 on this first one. There are 3 contributors. Get blame is subjective in this repository. There are 3 contributors, so I guess you can blame. Probably not, though, since you merged those PRs. Nah. Anyone else who contributed that wasn't me, they did like small, like they did like a bug fix or like they added like the whole terminal like color thing. So it's none of them. It's purely me. All right. So yeah, that's going to be 7.5, or it should raise everyone by 7.5. So keep that in mind, guys. So we'll do Warcry. Nice. Let's do weaken resistance. That'll be 15 points. Weaken resistance, yeah, so that should go down by 7.5, yeah? Let's do volley as well. Volley is 10. So it should do the same amount of damage, I think. Or not the same amount of damage, but it should do like something similar to that. And then okay. Enemy one's defense was raised. Wait, what? Dude, I'm down. Not gonna lie, I think your issue is it isn't made in Rust. Shut the fuck up, bro. Come on, that is not the issue, bro. That would have caused more issues. I'm kidding. No, I probably would have been able to avoid it, but someday we'll use Rust. But I don't want to cheat on the love of my life, C++. Fence. Wait, the fence was raised? His attack was raised by 26.5. Wait, what? Warcry 15.4, and it does 15. Wait, what? Wait, sorry, 15, not 15.4. I'm stupid. Wait, 50. Wait, 1.5, 7.5 was raised by 6. Wait, what? Wait, why would it be raised by? That doesn't make sense. What? Oh, it's just printing like what their attack stat is. It's not printing like the change. It's supposed to print the change, but I'm gonna use AI and algorithms to rewrite this whole thing in Rust. Bro, come on. Nah, we're supposed to be doing a grand C rewrite soon with this project, apparently. So we'll just rewrite the entire thing and see what the fuck happens. Wait, so how do we change it back to? Why would stat points not be right? Oh, wait, no, I'm actually so dumb. It's because we haven't recompiled, bro. I'm slow today, guys. I ain't gonna lie. I'm slow. Straight up slow. Oh shit. Fuck. Whatever. It's fine. 4. Yeah, okay. So fight. Now Warcry should work properly. Weaken resistance. Let's do that on enemy 4. Volley. Let's do that. And then let's do strength and defense again, just to make sure it's okay. Yeah, so strength and defense 10, 7.5. All right, perfect. That's how it should be. That makes more sense. That makes way more sense. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think you can live without your C++ classes. C might not be the play. Yeah, no, it's definitely not the play. We're not gonna rewrite it in C. We're not gonna do that. See, Rust actually would have fixed that because you'd be doing cargo run, which always recompiles. No, fuck that. Fuck that. We like to do things the hard way, all right? We don't want things to be easier. We don't want to use something more practical We want something harder. My next project, we're gonna program in brainfuck. We're gonna do that. Lost 38 HP. Is that right? Is 38 HP right? I don't think 38 HP is right. I don't think 38 HP is right. I mean, it might be. Damage HP. Damage points. Get us defending. Set HP. And okay, no, wait. So no, this is right. So we should be printing damage points, yeah? Damage points. Yeah, damage points. So it is printing that. Is that correct though? What is volley? What's the thing on that? Oh wait, first. This is good. What was it? Warcry is good. I think weaken resistance worked, but we're gonna make sure, just to make sure. We're gonna make sure, just make sure. Nice sentence. Did you know? Wait, what? Can you do a poll on object-oriented programming versus functional programming? Maybe next stream. Did you know the brainfuck interpreter is made in brainfuck? That can't be real. There's no way. Yeah, let's make sure that's right. So for volley, we're getting 10, and then what's the calculation we're doing on that? We're doing, I'm gonna bring out my calculator again. This one contributor. Since when is it bootstrapped? What are you talking about? Let me see here. I think that is right. Because based on the damage stat for Archer. Wait, attack was just raised, yeah? Yeah, attack was actually just raised. 23.5. But if we just minus 7.5 from that, we get 16. Okay, so 16, and we use that in the calculation. So we have 16 times 0.2. Then we times that by the points, which is 10, so we have 32. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's perfect, right? 38. 38. Oh, wait, no, I think wait, this is the wrong one. Wait, what? Oh, minus the defense. Wait, I think it's using the updated one. Like the updated attack stat after the buff. Hold on, wait. Because 23.5, because that would make more sense. 0.2, or like it sounds like it would make more sense. 10, and then minus the defense stat for the enemy, which for these guys is 11.5. Yeah. Well, no, that still doesn't make any sense. Okay, yeah, we're off by some. We might need to run through that again. Hold on, chat. Volley, and yeah. Enemy 1 lost 29 HP, 15. No, I think that's right, because 32. That should be right. That should be right. Just wanna make sure. Damage stat is 16, right? Oh shit! What the flip? Damage stat is. Yeah, it's 16. Okay, that's 16.2. And then times 10, and then minus the defense. Right? Is it minus the defense? Yeah, it's minus target get defense. Right? Stop looking at chat. There's no messages here, bro. You're fucked up for that. Yeah, so 0.2. Wait, hold on. That doesn't. Oh, what? Wait, enemy 1. Wait, enemy 1 lost 15. Oh, that's probably what it is right there. No, that's not what it is. I don't know. I think it works. It seems to work. Alright, let's test the other ones now. Watch, he will look at chat in 10 seconds. Why are you constantly doing C out? You don't need to flush that much. What do you mean? Are you talking about like the information? What do you mean? Like, why am I using C out? Like, why am I using C out instead of like printf? Or like, what do you mean? Unless you mean like, why am I clearing console? I don't know, do you recommend doing it a different way? You mean the new line? Alright. Yeah, so let's test, which one would we check next? I guess we could test arrow shot. We'll do fireball. And basic heal. Test those two, I guess. Okay. Just to make sure that they all work. What the fuck? Okay, print battle info, fight. So all of these are good. We'll do fireball and enemy 1. We'll do arrow shot and enemy 2. And then we'll try to heal A. It shouldn't let us do that. Enemy 1 lost 45.6. 13 is the base points. Yeah, and L doesn't flush. What you mean? What do you mean by flush? I guess I'm a little lost. I don't really know that term. I don't know if see out does, but I don't know how else you would write to see without dropping the C functions. 13. What the fuck? What just happened? Oh shit. Weird noise. No, the lines with C out have indel. Right, yeah. Is that bad? Is that not good? I mean, I can... Well, this one doesn't even have it, no. Most of these C out ones don't even have indel. Well, wait. Where do you see the indel at? I tried to avoid it as much as I could. Like, if I could, you know. If I could. I don't really know what you mean. Maybe I used it up here somewhere. Maybe I'm just stupid. I don't see it. I don't know. I do though. I do though. I don't even think I use indel at all in this function or like in this file. Oh, I do. Wait, where? No, I don't. Yeah, I don't. Yeah. Let's do control switch for indel. Yeah, I did. I mean, I've used indel in this program, 100%. Like if I search up indel, like we'll see indel. But, I mean, I've avoided it for the most part. There's tons. There's probably like more like throughout the program, yeah. I mean, we could fix that, yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that here in a second. Hold on. Let me finish testing these guys, and then we'll start kind of targeting the more like little ones, and then because I'm really trying to like get to the point where we have something nice. It's generally preferred over indel. I don't know. Manage line breaks across platform because that doesn't account for. I don't know. Just mass switch it? Yeah, I'll do that here in a second. Excuse me, guys. All right. Let me make sure this is right. Fireball 13. Damage HP. Use skill, damage stat. I mean, it should be right. But I think for this one though, Like, for heal HP, I don't know if I want to show that because right now it already doesn't go above, I don't think. Yeah, it doesn't, which is good. That's what we want. Yeah, honestly, I think all these skills work like just fine, which is good. Hell yeah. So for the endo, would I like just do this instead? Do I just do this, chat, or? Oh, sorry, I'm stupid. Yeah, can I just do that? I believe flushing is when you actually literally write to see out. When you file after accumulated data to write. Do not quote me on that, but gotcha. Okay. Oh yeah, I don't know why the fuck I did it like this. So yeah, I could just write it like this. Nice. Let's just go through the file really quick and do that. Because I'm about to probably merge the branch that we're in because we kind of finished what we needed, so. Oh, there was literally just one. Stupid. Nice. And XP level, etc. I need to remember to do that. Because I've had issues in C where I'd forget to write a new line and it just wouldn't output to the terminal. It just turned out to be wasn't flushed. Interesting. When you see out the string, it's sent for optimization. So flushing makes sure the entire content is sent. Interesting. I didn't know that. Putting a new line would automatically flush. That you can also do it manually. Interesting. Huh. That's good to know. Good to know. Good to know. See, that's why I like streaming, because I learn new shit every day. Every day. So thank you guys. Okay, I think that's good on that. We're still having this error, but it doesn't... seems to work fine. Alright, chat. I think that's good. Nice. All right, so what's left? Resource regen. I don't think we're testing that yet, are we? Yeah, we're not. Okay, yeah, so let's test that next. What branch are we in? We are in no branch at all. Nice. Hold on. Put on shots. Bro. Resource regen, okay. Alright, so now let's test that out. And once we test that out, I feel like that's it. Now, like, then we could just kind of build, like, the game, like, the actual, like, parties and all that kind of stuff. And then we have a fully functioning game. We can put it on Steam and all split the profits. So, we're getting to that point, chat. We're getting to that point. Hype as fuck. By flushing only when absolutely needed. Rust is made in Rust. Yeah, people have been telling me to try out Rust, but I just haven't yet. I'd love to, though. Everyone says it's like the C++ killer, whatever the fuck. Everyone always says that. It never is, though. Alright, so let's set, right now I think we still have it commented out, right? Alright, let's commit the changes first, before we fuck anything else up. Fixed, info printing, kind of, or buff ATK and buff. Okay. Nice. I switched 20% of all income for that one time I told you about fractional numbers with and without trailing F. Yeah. For sure. I got you, bro. I got you. I think it's modern C and Rust is just better, to be honest. Rust is also getting comp time better than Zig 100 times. I haven't heard a lot of people using Zig. Like, I've heard of it, but like, I don't really hear of anyone like using it all that much. I don't know like how widely used it is right now, but so let's go to combat. I just want to make sure that it's still commented out right now. And perform action. Yeah, okay, it's still commented out. That's good. I just want to make sure that it actually works properly. We'll just, I mean, we can just test it with one move. So we'll do fight. We'll do strong attack on enemy 1. Okay, print battle info. Stamina is now at 43. So resource region. When does this happen? Oh, it happens at the very beginning of the turn. So technically, we wouldn't be able to see the change until afterward. So if I comment this out again, or if I comment it back in. Resident Zig, and it's completely incompatible for being used. So there's that. Yeah, how old are we talking? At least 2005. Interesting. Huh. Okay, let me let's go to character. Just make sure resource region is working right. Yeah, okay. So now we'll go ahead and recompile with it now commented, or yeah, with it now back in the line actually being used now. We'll fix this later. Like I've said that many times. Okay. Yeah, so there's that. Dude, I need to stop fucking coughing, bro. Alright. Stamina. Looking at 39.4. Is that right? Wait, did it just go... Did it just do more? That looks like it just did more. Like, it took away more stamina. That doesn't make any fucking sense. Wait, get resource minus. It's plus. That's a pretty simple fix. Okay, hold on, wait. Okay, yeah. Because that didn't make any sense when I fucking... What the hell? It's so old. So it's practically irrelevant. So not even really a downside. 2005 is old? Jeez. I guess I'm getting old. was born in 03. Battle info. Okay, let's make sure everything's good. Very good. Strong attack, enemy 1. Very nice. Print battle info. Still looking at 43, so it didn't even really regenerate. Did it fucking regenerate? I don't think so. Wait, what? I think it regenerates next turn, right? Wait, how much does that even take away in the first place? Strong attack takes away 15. So 58 minus 15, yeah. Okay, so that's right. But I guess it's not like hold on. I wonder if we do the next move. Like if I just do like an attack, for instance, on the next move, will it go up? It does go up. Wait, does it go up? No, no, no. 46.6, yeah. So it does go up, which is good. Let's make sure it's by the right amount. And if it is, then we can say, okay, it works. So 3 times, we're doing this formula plus the level. So it's the level times 0.2. So it's going to be 0.2, right? And then plus 1. And then times 3. So yeah, 3.6. Yeah, okay. So it works. Nice. Alright, bet. It seems to work A-okay. Very nice. One of these biggest advertisements is it works everywhere, and if the modern C doesn't work everywhere, then it's nothing like C. Really? There's just so much infrastructure built on C, like everything eventually goes back to C. In some way. Or, I mean, I don't know, like that's just what I heard. So, I don't consider backwards compatibility irrelevant, considering major Windows servers are still on 2007. Really? Well, I mean, I guess that kind of makes sense, like, you know, OSs and stuff. Alright. Let's go and commit these changes and push, and then honestly, probably just fucking merge. Because I think we're kind of done with that. We're kind of done with this now. Excuse me. Nice. Alright, I think I'm gonna go and merge that. Because we're pretty much done on that one. Very nice, very nice. Push hard like a Chad? Fuck no. Definitely not. Definitely not. Yeah, the project has 3 contributors. They've been good helps. Including myself, of course. Oh, we actually got rid of a lot of code here. Oh shit. Just knocked over my headphones. Alright. Very nice. Very nice, chat. So that's good. I need to get rid of that other branch too, because it's just a lost cause. Just no reason it should even be there. Nice. Well, I really don't know what else the fuck to do. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I guess now we just need to like kind of clean up the game and put some finishing touches on it, really. What's the goal for this? Basically we want it's gonna be like an arena fighter. You just make like your party, and then, you know, like you fight like 3 different arenas, then you fight like a boss at the very end. And yeah, but I think honestly we're pretty much finished with the core, like everything that we've wanted to add. I think from here, literally we just need to make sure that the game loop is processed correct, or like we need to set up the enemy parties correctly without using the enemy classes. And just maybe do some cleanup, and then that's kind of it. Like, I'm being dead ass. We started this project on Halloween, and I feel like we've kind of reached a point where I'm pretty comfortable with setting this thing down, I'll be honest. So, is there enemy AI, or is it like miracle sort? It's just like, it's not like AI, no. Just like a fucking random, like, just selects like a random, whatever the fuck. Although it would be kind of cool if we could like have the parties be randomly generated, like the enemy parties be randomly generated. But like in terms of like the moves that the enemy does, it's randomized. It's always randomized. So yeah. Yeah, so I guess we can get started on that. We can just start with the cleanup now. See where we can go from there, I guess, huh? Jeez. Okay. Yeah, because we won't need enemy, or maybe boss, but I don't know, maybe not though. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I do gotta come up with a good do you guys have any good ideas for like some good projects that I could do to start 2026? I was gonna try to get into like OpenGL and do a project using that, or like Raylib or some shit. And someone did suggest like making like a Geometry Dash clone. I don't know if that's a good idea. That'd be kind of sick, but if you guys do have any suggestions, I will hear them out. So gosh, dude, I'm dying. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, we should be able to create a party pretty fucking easily, I think. We just do like new enemy. Oh wait, no, wait. We should get kind of like, we should. Ooh. We should do like a random name thing too, like where like it randomly selects like a name out of like a table or some shit, and like assigns it to like an enemy. That'd be kind of sick. Let's do enemy peeking, where they do weigh the cost of actions by doing them fakely and figuring out the last cost. That's interesting. We could do that. Maybe like in a future iteration. I'm ready to move on from this project. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's like WebGL or something. WebGL. I feel like that sounds familiar. Yeah. Yeah, no, yeah, I've seen it. Or seen it. I haven't worked with it or anything like that, but yeah, I was thinking of just playing around with OpenGL for my next project. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Is just play around with OpenGL for the next project. Kind of go from there. No, I mean there is a WebGL, and I'm assuming it's the same shit. Yeah, 2D and 3D graphics for the web. So I'm assuming like for web dev. I'm not sure you'd use C++ for it, but you know. But yeah, it's compatible with like the browser or some shit. If you're going to do graphic stuff, don't even think about touching Vulkan. Oh, don't worry. fucking hands off, not even thinking about it, trust me. Don't worry. This one wasn't actually for the web. Wait, what do you mean? Yeah, I'm not touching Vulkan, bro. OpenGL is even a little risky, I ain't gonna lie. Like, for my skill level, I don't know, but fuck it. That's how you learn. You just kind of dive into it, you know what I mean? Cannonball into it. I was gonna say Vulkan because it's modern, but apparently it's too hard. It is insanely hard, I've heard. I don't know how the fuck people do that shit. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna play around with OpenGL. Maybe someday I'll do Vulkan, but yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna come up with a good project that we can do. Don't worry, snaps, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna come up with a good project that I can do with OpenGL, and we'll probably start on that. Not next stream. Next stream we'll probably, honestly, next stream we could probably just wrap this up. Like genuinely, I don't think there's too much left. Vulkan's funny because you can do the same thing in OpenGL in one line. 150. See, like, why would I even want to touch it? I mean, like you said, it's like more modern, right? It's probably got a lot more freedom, obviously, but like, fuck that. I don't even want to fucking touch that shit. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out something that we can do with OpenGL and go from there, guys. So, pretty short stream tonight. I'm not gonna stream much longer, or not any longer. I'm gonna go ahead and end stream. Is what I'm trying to say. Won't be streaming tomorrow. So happy New Year's to you guys. Hope you guys had a good 2025. I had a good 2025 personally, so I'm not complaining. Hopefully 2026 goes well for all of us. Gonna be starting the new project in 2026, so I'm very excited for that. I'm gonna try to figure out what it is. I might even run a poll. I think that's what I should do. Is I should make a post and I should run a poll. That's probably what I should do. But yeah, I'll probably stream on the 1st. Yeah, I'll stream on the 4th. Jeez, fucking stutter. I'll stream on the 1st, and we can kind of go from there. So, but thank you guys for the support tonight. Hope you guys have a great night. Stay safe, all right? Thank you, XC, for stopping by. Appreciate you. Fire, appreciate you stopping by. Yeah, web GPU is what I was thinking of. Oh, wait, let me look at that. Oh, this is for like Rust, C++, all that kind of stuff. Interesting. 67-minute stream, by the way, if you end now. Oh shit. Wait, really? Oh wait, no, I'm too late. I'm too late. It already says 8. 1 hour 8. Damn. Almost. Alright, guys. You guys have a good night. Stay safe, alright? I'll see you guys on the 1st.